In response to a nation in panic, we passed, on a bipartisan basis, a law that imposed 100-to-1 sentencing disparity between crack cocaine and powder cocaine offenses, the Anti-Drug Abuse Act of 1986. To this date, it is one of the worst votes I ever cast. That legislation derived from a war on drugs era mentality that we could somehow incarcerate our way out of a drug epidemic. That approach did not work with crack cocaine. In fact, it has never worked. In the 50 years since President Nixon declared our failed war on drugs, drug use and drug availability has increased. Our nation has endured a crack epidemic, a meth epidemic, and currently an opioid epidemic. By now, I hope we all understand that drug addiction is not a choice and just not a moral failing. It is a disease. Instead of meeting the public health crisis of addiction with care and compassion, we've met it with punishment and penalties. The results have been devastating. And when it comes to crack cocaine, we established a sentencing disparity that has directly fueled the crisis of mass incarceration in America. During the first 4 decades of the war on drugs, our federal prison population grew by 700%, and the cost of operating federal prisons exploded by 1,100%. Those bloated costs have diverted public safety resources away from where they're needed and have made us less safe. Today, our nation is home to just 4% of the world's population and about 20% of the world's prisoners. In America, we pride ourselves as the land of the free, but the sad fact is we have the highest incarceration rate in the world. Worse yet, the crack powder disparity has exacerbated the systemic racial inequities in our criminal justice system. We must bring this injustice to an end, and we can begin by eliminating the crack powder disparity.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.